Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Sable haul to share with you. First we're going to jump right in and show some Christmas treats we found. We got some Reese's trees, a package of the Pillsbury elf-shaped sugar cookie doughs. Also picked up this Hostess honey bun iced latte to try. Got an 18 count of eggs. Some apples, some red seedless grapes, blueberries, some of these smoked cheddar sausages, some mild shredded cheese. Picked up a gallon of chocolate milk. We already have a whole gallon of 2% milk. So picked that up, and we got a tub of butter. Some original cooking spray. Also picked up one of these Kurt's hot wing sauce, which is awesome, by the way. Lots of little packet stuff like this. We got 4 ranch packs for some recipes, and as always in the description box will be a detailed meal plan. Picked up a Hungry Jack instant potato and the 4 cheeses. We're going to have KFC bowls one night. Did get 3 of these country gravy mixes for biscuits and gravy. And also one of these pizza crust mixes. I like to make my own homemade pizzas. And I already had the sauce and mozzarella in the fridge, so the remainder of what's left of that, a bottle crust, and we're going to have a homemade pizza with that. Some freezer items, the Tyson Anitizers boneless chicken bites. This is in the buffalo style. These were so good the last time we picked these up, and we grabbed another bag today. I did pick up the Tyson's popcorn chicken as well. This is for our KFC bowls. And there's an In the Kitchen playlist linked in the description box as well as the cards. There is a recipe for those Copycat KFC bowls. And I picked up these Hush Puppies today for the next time I pick some fish up from Walmart to fry up. You can never find Hush Puppies like this. I tried them today. I picked those up. As for meats, they did not have but only this hamburger package like this today. So I picked up that 1 ground beef, and then 2 of the rolls. 2 of the ground beef rolls. A package of pork chops. And these pre-pattied beef patties for burgers. And then 2 of the chicken breast for various recipes. Picked up some hot dog buns for our smoked sausages. Got some rolls for Thanksgiving. Picked up one of these double cheeseburger mac. It's one of those skillet dinners. It's like the Hamburger Helper. Just as good. 2 macaroni and cheese. 1 shells and cheese. Picked up a stuffing mix for Thanksgiving. We also got a no-bake cheesecake for Thanksgiving. I picked up these spaghetti noodles. We're probably not going to have spaghetti again. We just had spaghetti. But Sable has a really good deal on these spaghetti noodles. They're 2 for $1. And it's perfect because we're a family of 3. And there's only 3.5 servings in each one of these. So this is a perfect serving size for our family, so I got 2 of those. Some jellied cranberry sauce, also for Thanksgiving. I already have turkey. And some of the stuff, though, even in the meal list below, you won't see some of the items in here, like tacos and stuff. I still don't have all the stuff to make them, but I also had a trip from Walmart the other day and picked up all the stuff for that as well. And then I got the hamburger meat today for that. 2 cans of sweet peas, 2 cans of green beans, a can of cream style sweet corn, Also got 4 cans of their Chunk Light tuna and water, a can of diced tomatoes, and I got a can of pears and a can of peaches. And that is my Save-A-Lot haul. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.